there was a war that went on. They called it World War II. And one of the countries that was on one side and the other countries were on the other side. One group ran out of oil. What to do? You know, you need oil to make gasoline to run your tanks and your trucks and your cars and your airplanes. You need diesel fuel. They had to figure out some way to make things run on the ground, fly through the air, without using a lot of expensive oil. And they figured out something that was really weird. If you take an ordinary tube with nothing in it, just an empty tube, like that, and you hook onto it something like a spark plug. A spark plug is like a Tesla coil that makes sparks inside. And you put a tail on it, like this way. And you put a little pipe coming out this way. They said, there you go, that's an engine. And people looked at that and said, no, it's not, it's a tube with a bent tail. And they said, yeah, but it's going to go. You can power an airplane with it. And it hardly uses any fuel, and you can burn anything you want. You can put cooking oil in there and burn it up. And they said, okay, let's see what it does. There was a tank here with some fuel that you pointed to it. So they let some fuel go in and sparked the spark plug, and it went kaboom. Some flame shot out here, and some flame shot out here. And it stopped. And he says, gotta warm her up. So he put in a little more fuel and went kaboom again. Put a little more fuel and went kaboom again. And when he finally got it to the right temperature, it started going and flame shot out both places. Most of it coming out that way. And some guys on the internet said, we can do that. We can make one of those. And they did it with a jelly jar.
What?
So we're going to try that today. And the aliens lived in the holes in the Swiss cheese. They could these diggy hands, so they could dig the Swiss cheese out and eat it all up. And there was all kinds of houses and things down inside. And even Mr. Fred created a Swiss cheese empire, selling cheese from the moon. All the aliens and Jack and Jill and everybody were hiding underneath, and they're saying, uh-oh, this is bad. Sooner or later, he's going to hit one of our chambers and discover all the good things we've got here. Then we're in trouble. The container is there in case the jar explodes.
Boom!
Never had one explode, but you never know. And we're going to put some fuel in there. Let's try some of this stuff.
What is that?
It's called gas treatment. It's supposed to be methyl alcohol, but it's kind of a mixture.
Have you tried this before?
Yeah.
Dun, dun, dun.
And we put some fuel inside.
Dun, dun, dun.
And the jar sits in there. Do you remember when we did the exploding film cans?
Yeah.
If you get too much fumes in there and not enough oxygen, it doesn't do anything. If you get too much oxygen in there and not enough fumes, it doesn't do anything. But if you happen to get the right amount, then it should do something. There. So I'm going to put a flame by the opening. When you're putting a flame over an opening, it's usually not a good idea to put your face directly over it and try to light it. Because if it goes boom, it'll burn your eyebrows off like it did on Mythbusters. So the way to do it is you kind of look through the side of the thing and you do like this. This stuff is called methyl alcohol. This doesn't usually work as good as it did today, maybe because it's warmer today. We're going to try methyl alcohol.
Are we going to make it colder? Uh-oh.
And we're going to try...
Put this in your gas tank, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh!
This stuff is called rubbing alcohol. You put it on
Safety goggles on it. Watch out.
This is gonna be
And this one is pure methyl alcohol. It doesn't have all the junk that's in the first one we tried.
Yeah, look for that.
We're going to see which ones work.
You get, oh, is your jar full? Yeah, alright. Okay, next time.
Okay,
Go for it.
Oh, there we got one to go.
yeah!
Dead jar.
Gotta get over the hole.
There you go.
Over the hole.
Yeah, you want
Yeah.
See if there's a benefit.
fire?
Hey!
That's scary.
Did you guys get yours to do with the class.
Okay, I'll try
You
here.
guys still haven't gotten yours. You gotta get it more than some.
Oh, perfect.
There it goes.